Hello, my name is James Ruppert and I've worked with cars for just about the whole of my life. I started off selling cars, which is a good fun job to have. I then went on to work for top national newspapers writing about cars, the best car magazines, and even some TV programmes that you might have watched that had cars in them. Since I've been doing these videos, people have asked me, what's that logo that's at the top there? That's motoreasy. Now, motoreasy was founded by a chap called Duncan McClure-Fisher. I've known Duncan for well over 15 years, and he's got a very peculiar talent for identifying systems and services that are designed to make a motorist's life easier. It's as simple as that. The question I get asked constantly is, can you recommend a garage that can do an MOT for me, some work on my car, that sort of thing? And the truth is, I wish I could, but I don't know every single garage in the country. I wish I did. motoreasy actually probably do. They have a network, a nationwide network of garages. They've already negotiated a discount with them, so immediately you start to work with them, they're saving you money. But to me, the absolute best thing about them is that the people you deal with are experts. They actually know about the cars themselves. They're qualified technicians and engineers. So when they explain what's going to happen to your car at the service, at the MOT, when the problem needs to be fixed, they will tell you precisely. Because the problem that we have these days is that mechanics seem to talk in a foreign language and we can't really grasp what they're on about. motoreasy make it completely understandable. The other things that they have are other backups which again make your motoring life easier, which is gap insurance, insurance for alloy wheels, which is very useful, MOT cover. So whatever you're doing with your car, whether you're just commuting, whether you're doing the school run, whether you're running back and forwards to the shops, you won't have any worry ever. They'll be able to pick your car up, sort it out, and they take care of everything that is related to your car. And that's complete peace of mind, and for me that's the best reason for using motoreasy at all. Thank you very much for watching.